In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Calendar in Chrome and find the option to add another calendar. To begin, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to Google Calendar and wait for the page to fully load. If you're not already signed in, make sure you complete the sign-in process so you can access your calendar view. When the calendar opens, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. The main calendar area is usually in the center of the screen, while the navigation and calendar lists appear along the left-hand side. Next, direct your attention to the menu area on the left. This side panel contains several sections that help you organize and manage your calendars. You may see items like a mini calendar, your existing calendars, and additional settings or categories. What you're looking for here is the section labeled Other Calendars. This label appears as a title row within the left-hand menu, so scan down that panel carefully until you spot it. If the left menu looks collapsed or too narrow, give yourself a second to make sure the full panel is visible. In some cases, browser window size can affect how much of the menu is shown, so expanding the window can make the layout easier to read. Once you can clearly see the Other Calendars section, look closely to the right of that label. You should find a small plus icon next to the Other Calendars text. This icon is the control used to access options related to adding or subscribing to additional calendars. When you've located it, click the plus icon directly beside the section label. Be sure to click the icon next to Other Calendars, not a different plus symbol elsewhere on the page, since Google Calendar may display similar controls in other areas. Taking a second to confirm the section title before clicking can help avoid confusion. And that's it. You've successfully opened Google Calendar in Chrome, found the Other Calendars section in the left-hand menu, and clicked the plus icon beside it. This is the starting point for working with additional calendars inside Google Calendar. If you're following along on your own screen, move slowly and make sure each part of the layout matches what you expect before continuing.